Hi viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Textpattern CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Textpattern CMS is a free and open source content management system. You can easily create, edit and publish the contents on your own site. The feature of Textpattern CMS for content publishers, site designers, web developers and secure and stable and etc. Okay, now let us see how to install Textpattern CMS. Before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.2. Okay, first of all download the Textpattern CMS package from browser. Okay, now open the browser. Following this link, here we have to download current Textpattern CMS 4.6.2. Save the file. Now download is completed. Now go to command prompt. Now go to download directory. Now we have to list out this directory. This is a zip format, so we have to extract this file using by unzip command. Then again we have to list out this directory. Now we have to rename the extracted directory. Then we have to move the file into the /var/ww/html location. Now go to HTML directory. Now we have to list out this directory. Now we have to change ownership for Textpattern directory. Give recursively. Now we have to configure the virtual host for Textpattern CMS. So go to site available location. Here create empty file named textpattern.conf using by Vim editor. Then change insert mode. Then add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the textpattern.conf file. Now we have to enter to the host file using by Vim editor. Change insert mode. Give your IP. Then give your server name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally restart your Apache web server. After restarting your Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give local IP or domain name. Now I have to give domain name. Hit enter. Here it will show text pattern setup. Click and continue. Here it will show select language. Select your language and click submit and continue. Here it will show database detail. So we have to fill the database detail. First of all, give your MySQL username, then password, then database name. Then click next and continue. Here it will show database connection status. Then create conf.php file in the text pattern directory. So copy this contents. Go to terminal. Here we have go to text pattern directory. Now we have to list out this directory. Now create config.php file using my Vim editor. Change insert mode, then paste here, then save and quit the file, then go to browser, then click edit it and continue. Here it will show user details, so we have to fill the user details. Then give your login name, then give your password, then click next and continue. Now installation is completed. If you want login Textpattern CMS, click login now and continue. Here it will show login page of Textpattern CMS. Here we have to give username of Textpattern CMS, admin, then give password, then click login and continue. Here it will show admin page of Textpattern CMS. Now you can able to create, edit and publish the contents on your own site. That's all about for installation of Textpattern CMS. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.